Washington.
The lack of connectivity and sufficient routes still remain a major challenge for the African aviation industry. Now, according to the International Air Transport Association, this has limited the growth of the sector, with the African Union now looking to bolster it by introducing new legislations and agreements. Now, IATA projects the Africa's aviation market will grow by over 208 million passengers to 356 million continental passengers by 2038. The African Union intends to create a single Africa air transport market, pass a continental free trade agreement, and introduce the protocol on free movement of people. On its part, Kenya is looking to bolster its position as a continental hub by targeting additional growth in cargo processing.
The first of them is the single African air transport market. Now, this is, as I said earlier on, intended to make Africa a single market, one open market for all African operators, so that African airlines can operate freely across the continent. This is an initiative for African airlines. Non-African airlines will still continue to operate guided by the existing bilateral relations. But African airlines will operate under what we call a multilateral agreement. The second initiative of the African Union is the Continental Free Trade Agreement. The African Union also wants to create a single and an easy market for African goods and services.
What we are now looking to develop, and there's a strategy that is under formulation, is actually how now we can attract e-commerce cargo. We have a team that is working on that, so that once the aircraft now ship out the cargo from Kenya, they can bring back merchandise, which can be distributed very efficiently using the infrastructure that we have, and mainly in the form of e-commerce. So that's